the whiteout condition will diminish during the evening hours as the intensity of the snow diminishes. Therefore, your visibility gets a little better. What I'm more concerned about tonight is the blowing and drifting of the snow.
Right.
Where the plow goes by clears it, especially open fields. It fills right in, so you're driving along and you've got what you think is just dry pavement, and then out of nowhere you've got a half-covered road with snow, foot and a half deep. So be aware of that. Let the road crews do their thing. The winds will die down overnight. How about these snowfall totals? Boy, it was, yesterday at this time we were talking 18 to 24 inches, and Portland is up over 20 inches. Biddeford as well. Saco, Windham, 18. Impressive amounts. North Sebago reporting a foot of snow. Additional totals coming out of Shapley, Jay, Livermore, Madison. You've got them there. Lesser amounts up in northern New Hampshire, but that really comes as no surprise. Heavier amounts, Nashua, New Hampshire, 22 inches. Sanford right now at 16. Boy, it's cold out there. Never warmed up today. We are parked in the teens. We'll fall back into the lower teens, single digits tonight. That'll keep the wind chill values below 0. 13 right now, Wiscasset. It's 8 in Jay. New Portland is at 6. 8 in Berlin, New Hampshire, and -6 atop of Mount Washington. Here are your wind speeds. Sustained at 25 miles per hour, and wind gusts as well are still up. 37-mile-per-hour wind gusts at the Jetport. So that blowing and drifting of the snow continues. Storm system itself, I want to show you this picture. We'll back out instead of zooming in, because this one shows the extent of the moisture plume all the way out into the Atlantic. It goes all the way down to the tropics. So the moisture that we're dealing with originated down here, swirled up and into the storm system. The storm then sort of stalled during the day today. Now it will pull off to the north and east. In fact, that process is just about ready to get underway if it hasn't done so already. And by tomorrow morning, it's out over Nova Scotia. That's when we'll see some big improvement and get some sunshine back and the winds really come down. The afternoon and evening looks good. In fact, cold tomorrow night under clear skies and fresh snow out there. Most areas are down either side of 0. Thursday evening will cloud up, and here comes Friday. Yes, that is more snow in the forecast. Nowhere near as intense of a storm system, but nevertheless, we could lay down several inches of snow on Friday, so the cleanup will be doing it all over again. 26 tomorrow in Portland, Lewiston, Auburn at 23, Augusta at 22, teens to the north, Rangeley back to Whitefield between basically 15 and 20 degrees. My forecast for tonight, it's a combination of wind and continued snow with blowing and drifting. Now, it will gradually improve during the overnight. Portland drops to about 10. Tomorrow, any clouds early will give way to sunshine as the day progresses. Northwest winds, but only at about 10 to 15 miles per hour. Check the next 8 days. Wednesday up to 26 degrees. Thursday at 29. More snow on Friday. Good-looking weekend expected with sunshine for both days and perhaps more snow early next week. How about some Arctic cold? 5 above by Wednesday of next week. Winter not letting go.
No.
Steve, Tracy?